Hello, so it's Barry Joyce here, and in this quick tutorial, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can get your balance sheet or your Excel or CVL sheet balance sheet from your Binance account. Now, this could be for anything, for tax purposes, or also just to keep on profits that you are making. So here I am on the dashboard of my Binance. So just before I dive in and show you how to download your PDFs or your asset sheets, please do note that what I'm showing you is not financial advice. It is for educational purposes only, and these are simply my own opinions. Please don't treat this as any form of financial or trading advice, and like always, I always recommend that you do your own research and your own due diligence prior to doing this type of investment. And if you are going to be thinking about investing, please only invest what you can afford to lose, because trading is high risk. Now, what I'm going to show you is the sheets just for this month only of December 2023, the time of this video. And this is not through any third-party crypto Ponzi companies, right? These are through trading bots, artificial intelligent trading bots, where I'm in 100% control of my own money. Now, you've seen it before, these companies that are scamming people left, right, and centre, third-party Ponzi schemes where they'll say invest this, invest that, and they'll maybe give you a few little small payments. And, you know, these companies only last a few months, if you're lucky 1 year, and then they'll pull the rug and everybody will lose their trading or their well-earned money. So my advice is to learn how to trade, or use companies, these are the companies that I've used, and the details are in the description if you want to go out, check them out, and do your own due diligence. It's totally free to sign up. You're under no contracts. You don't give them any money. As I said, you're in 100% control of your own assets. So, you know, let's stop these Ponzi companies who scam innocent people. Be in control of your own money. And to download your Excel sheet, what you need to do is just hover over to this little icon here. And what we're looking for is spot orders. So select the spot orders, and you'll be taken to this place here. Now, as I mentioned before, the trading bots that I'm currently working with at the moment, it's on autopilot. I have to do nothing, and I am 100% fully in control of my finance. Right, I am not giving it away to platforms where they're just going to rug pull and take your money. I am in full control of these bots, and I dictate how much I want to trade as well. Now, as you can see, the time of this video is the 28th of December 2023, and as you can see today, these are the trades. These are the open trades I've got. So Avalanche and US dollar Tether, Sol, Matic, so your Poly, Bitcoin, High Street, Matic again, Ape, Doge. So these are the current coins that is currently ongoing. Now the Doge, these are not just short trades, the long trades as well. So as you can see there, the Doge has been trading now for 2 days, and they're still open. And again, look, I can cancel these at any time, but why would I? Because they are making me great profits. So let's go back to get your Excel sheet. And I just want to show you exactly how my bots have been working for me. So here you can go order history. So you can get all your order history, look, all in there. And what we need to do to download it, we need to go to trade history here. So from here, these are all your trade histories. So what you now need to do to download your sheet is just find this little icon where it'll say export trade history. So just click that, and look, it pops up another window where you can download whatever amount of time you want. So the last 24 hours, yesterday, last 2 weeks, so on and so forth. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the last month because I just want to show you just exactly what I mean about being in control of my own finance. Now, if you scroll down, you can either do a PDF format or Excel, either or. You can get more personal information as well, but I'm just going to keep it as the PDF file. Then I'm just going to click export, and look, it's just opening it up for me. So this is my sheet here. So as you can see, as I said, it's the 28th. So from here, look, so from there, these are the trades that have been made today, and as you've just seen there, a lot of them are open as well. So if I just have a look here, look, it's 9 pages. So I've got 9 pages all the way right down from the beginning of this month. So if I scroll all the way down, look, so it's taken it from the last two from the end of November, look there. So if you can see, look, the 1st, the 2nd, the 4th, the 4th, the 5th, look, all the way up there, 6th, 7th, the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, you can all see there, they're all profit, they're all trading. I tell the bot what I want to trade, look, so all the way there, so the 14th, look, so quite a lot of activity on the 14th, going all the way up there. So yeah, there must have been at least 20 odd trades on the 14th. So we're looking at the 15th now, look, so there's the 15th up to the 16th, so we're going up and up, then the 17th and so on and so forth, look, 18th, 19th, 20th, again a lot of trades on the 20th, 21st, 21st again, so a lot again on the 21st. Look at all those trades on the 21st, so that's when the bots must have been picking up some movement in the market. The 22nd, look, the 23rd, going up, look, 23rd, there's 24th, 24th, so there's the 25th, look, so when we were all sat down eating our turkey, doing nothing, this was actually generating me profit. Look at that. Just because we're not working and it's a national holiday, look at all of those on Christmas Day. Look at them, all the way up on Christmas Day, look. So you've had all of those trades, all winning trades, all profit on Christmas Day, whilst I'm feeding my face with turkey. And going on to Boxing Day, look, another national holiday, the bot still works automatically all the way up 27th and as of to 28th, which is today. That's it there. So that is how you can download your Excel sheet. But if you want to have a look at some of the bots that is working, and you've just seen my evidence there, feel free to do your check on the links. Please again make sure that you do your own due diligence on these bots, because as I mentioned earlier on, it is high risk, and please only, if you're going to do that, only invest what you can afford to lose. And if you have any further questions, then please feel free to reach out to me.